Welcome. If your Pinterest home feed feels cluttered or just isn't showing you what you want, there's a simple way to take control, using the Pinterest home feed tuner. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to manage your boards and make your feed truly yours. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your personalized settings. Next, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping the person icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top and tap on it. Now you'll see a menu with several options. Scroll until you find Home Feed Tuner and tap on it. This is your main control panel for what appears in your Pinterest home feed. Inside the Home Feed Tuner, you'll see different categories that influence your recommendations, like boards, topics, and profiles you follow. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on boards. Tap on Boards. Here, you'll see a list of all the boards you've created or followed. Each board is a signal to Pinterest about what you want to see more of in your feed. If there's a board that's no longer relevant or you just don't want its content showing up, simply tap Unfollow next to that board. This tells Pinterest to stop using that board to influence your home feed recommendations. You can repeat this for as many boards as you like. The changes you make here will instantly start shaping your home feed, so you'll see more of what inspires you and less of what doesn't. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've fine-tuned your Pinterest experience. Remember, you can revisit the Home Feed Tuner anytime to make more adjustments as your interests change. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your favorite apps. Happy pinning!